Alright traders, I am back again with another quick video just to let you know that we have just released our much anticipated Understanding How to Trade Fractals video course. Fractals are tools of technical analysis developed by successful trader Bill Williams. Fractals define very complex and chaotic structure of price movements into smaller waves. As such, they can help us define order and structure in the markets. So many people believe that the markets are random. However, many others argue that although prices may appear to be random, they do in fact follow a pattern in the form of trends. Fractals essentially break down larger trends into extremely simple and predictable reversal patterns. Bill Williams believed that in order for you to make money in the markets, you first must be able to understand the basic market structure by being aware of the market's internal parts, which he called dimensions. These dimensions include the following: fractals, which were the phase space; zones, which were the phase energy and force combination; momentum, which is the phase energy; deceleration, acceleration, which is the phase force; and the balance line, which is the odd attractors. So we're going to focus on the first dimension, the fractal, along with the momentum. A fractal pattern on a bar or candle chart on any time frame consists of a minimum of 5 consecutive bars or candles. For the sake of this study, we will be using candlesticks. The middle candle must have a higher high or lower low than the 2 preceding bars and the 2 following bars. If a candle's high is parallel to the middle candle high, or its low is parallel to the middle candle low, it does not count as one of the 5 candles in the fractal sequence because it does not have a lower high or higher low than the middle candle. And fractals do not repaint. Once a fractal, always a fractal. A fractal is created with a series of 5 candles. Bull fractals are created when there are 2 consecutive candles on each side of the third candle with lower highs. And here you see the middle candle with lower highs on each side of it. And a bear fractal is created when there are 2 consecutive candles on each side of the third candle with higher lows. Here you see the third candle with higher lows on each side of it. So fractals help us to define the underlying market structure. Knowing the underlying market structure can give you a tremendous advantage when trading. Every trend begins and ends with a fractal. So with the information that I've just given you, how can you put this to your advantage? I'm going to teach you how to do that. Some of my best trades have come from trading fractals. So have you ever entered the market only to see that market go against you? Are you constantly being stopped out and maybe had a margin call before? Well, I'm going to teach you how to avoid some of that stuff and let that not happen to you by first understanding how to trade fractals. And then I'm going to teach you a very good trade setup, which is the fractal break, and also to trade the fractal bounce. Some of the best trade opportunities that you can have. And you can get this course right now by becoming a lifetime member at my site. And membership is only $250, a one-time payment of $250. And that gives you lifetime membership, lifetime access to all my courses, all my content, everything now and everything that will be in the beginning and in the future. So Bill Williams stated that trading fractals virtually guarantees being included in any significant trend move. So I don't want you to miss out. I want you to be involved in the significant opportunity to become a lifetime member for, again, only $250 for a lifetime, one-time payment. All right, so in order to do that, just visit my site at www.fxatOneglance.com. On the front page, you'll see Become a Member. Look at my site, check things out. And if you're interested in becoming a member and getting this fractal course, then just visit us, and we'd love to have you. All right, guys, hopefully I'll see you in my site. Till next time, God bless.